Hi friends, today I am going to give you a clear view about IES and GATE examination. So, let us discuss IES versus GATE. Actually, both exams are too tough. So, let me tell you a clear view about IES versus GATE. Individuality engineering is one of the most sought after career option for youth who wants to make a scintillating career, right? So that's why every year nearly 1.5 million students in India graduate in engineering. So both GATE and IES Indian Engineering Services are the most uploaded and well-known exams among the engineering students. But the opportunities and avenues of these two exams are different, and preparation strategies are also different for these two exams. Here we are going to give you a deeper analysis of the IES versus GATE exam so that you can get a clear idea and picturization of these two exams. So IES exam is conducted by Union Public Service Commission. Every year, this exam is held annually. On the other hand, GATE is a competitive exam which is conducted jointly by seven IITs, Indian Institutes of Technologies, and also IISCs, that means Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. The GATE exam is also conducted every year so that aspirants get a chance to fulfill their dreams and aims. Both IES and GATE exams gives lucrative career prospects to the candidates. The GATE exam is ideal for those who want to pursue higher studies like masters or PhD after completion of their graduation in engineering. If you want to score well in GATE, you will get a chance to admit in IITs or NIITs or other eminent colleges. IIMS also accept GATE score for their fellow management programs. If you have a valid GATE score, you will get a job in public sectors like BEL, NTPC, BPCL, HPCL. So all these companies are also accepting GATE score during their selection process. On the other hand, the IAS exam is attended by the aspirants who want to take a government job, class 1 post. IAS scores are accepted by many government services like the Indian Railway Service, Indian Defence Service, Indian Naval Armament Service, Indian Telecommunication Services, Indian Ordnance Service, and the Central Water Engineering and Central Power Engineering services. Since we are analyzing IAS versus GATE in a detailed way, you should take a look at the syllabus of both the exams. Both IAS and GATE syllabus have many resemblances, which means you don't need to go for the double studies. IAS covers the whole engineering syllabus. In this exam, the aspirants are judged for their conceptual abilities. Since the syllabus and paper pattern is wide, you need to do more hard work to crack the exam. On the other hand, GATE syllabus covers only the important topics which are going to be useful for your higher studies. In this exam, the candidates are tested for their problem-solving abilities. So, smart work is required if you want to crack the GATE exam. So, let me tell you the exam pattern of GATE. GATE is an MCQ based exam. That means multiple choice questions based, and the time duration is 3 hours. There are 65 questions and total marks are 100. There are mainly 4 types of questions asked in the GATE exam. That is, multiple choice questions section 1. Section 2 consists of common data questions. Section 3 consists of linked answer questions. And section 4 consists of numerical answer questions. GATE has total of 23 papers, and the candidate should choose the one which is most relevant to his stream and interest. On the other hand, IAS is a lengthy exam and it is conducted over 2 days. IAS has 2 stages. One is the preliminary stage, which is objective, and the second one is the conventional stage, which is subjective. There is cutoff score for the preliminary stage, and once you qualify it, you are eligible for the main or the second stage. After the mains, there is an interview session. Once the interview session is over, they will publish the final list. IAS preliminary exam consists of two papers. One paper is based on core engineering subject. The second paper is for general studies. IAS mains carries two papers of engineering. So, it carries off the engineering domain of 30 marks each. The interview session consists of 200 marks. So, it is true that no competitive exam is too easy to crack, right? So, but if we consider the difficulty level of both these exams, then the GATE exam is much tougher and critical than IAS exam. You will face many difficulties and need to invest a lot of effort to solve GATE questions than that of IAS, because you need to apply multiple concepts to solve a question that is asked in the GATE exam. So, you should have a good problem solving skills if you want to crack the GATE exam. Actually, most of the questions that are asked in the IAS exam can easily be solved by using a single formula or concept. Every year, a plethora of candidates used to appear for both these exams. But the competition level for IAS is much tougher than the GATE exam. For IAS, the competition ratio in terms of the number of vacancies available versus the number of candidates used to appear for the exam is 1:300. While on the other hand, GATE is a less competitive exam as compared to IAS. The competition ratio in the GATE exam is 1:10. So it is true that every year a good number of students score well in the GATE exam in their first attempt. But this is not at all true for the IAS because of the wider syllabus and the exam pattern. Only a few can secure good ranks in IAS in their first attempt. Most people usually qualify IAS in their second or third attempts. Since we are discussing IAS versus GATE, hence we should discuss the exam preparation strategy for both the exams. Preparation strategies are two different of these two. Speed is the main factor if you want to crack the IAS exam, because in this exam you need to solve more questions in less time. There will be 120 questions which you need to solve within 120 minutes. This means 1 minute for each question. You should have a crystal clear concept for IAS as you do not get much time for thinking. Moreover, writing practice is required as the IAS exam consists of conventional paper also. But for GATE, your thought process and problem solving ability are two main factors. So, because here you will get more time to solve lesser questions. There are 65 questions which you need to solve in 180 minutes. This means you will get 2.5 minutes per question to solve it. So don't hurry. To crack GATE with flying colors, you need to require concept application ability along with the clear concept. Writing test is not required for the GATE exam as this exam does not have any conventional type of paper. So, any engineering student is eligible to appear for both the exam. At present, GATE exam is occurred nearly 23 disciplines including streams of physics, chemistry and math graduates. On the other hand, the IAS exam is only held for the core engineering streams like civil, electrical, mechanical, electronics and telecommunication engineering. IAS has an upper age limit of 30 years. In some special categories, it is 35. IAS exam has two papers. It has two stages. So, first stage is preliminary stage. It is conducted in the month of January. And second phase is mains. It is conducted in the month of May. GATE is an exam which is conducted on one day either in the month of January or February. Since the GATE exam occurs before IAS, your preparation is almost done for both the exams. Since GATE covers nearly 70% of the IAS exam syllabus. So, you don't need to take much pressure for IES once your GATE exam is over. Moreover, a good GATE score also boosts up your confidence level for the upcoming IES exam. So, from the above discussion of IES versus GATE, hope you ample of information regarding both the exams. Both the exams embarrass you with a chunk of opportunities. IES is attended by lakhs of students, candidates who have dream pursue a government job. While on the other hand, GATE exams gives you an opportunity to relive the dream by getting a chance to study in IITs or IIScs. So you can also appear for both the exams for your experiences, as the subjects are similar though the exam pattern is different. If you follow a smart strategy, then you can crack both the exams with flying colors. Hope you can understand both the IELTS versus GATE very well by this video.